Good morning. How are you this morning? Today, I'm going to talk about it's easy to wonder and get lost if you lack clarity. I'm into my 60s now. I may not look it, but I am. And a lot of my contemporaries are complaining because years ago, at the age of 60, women could retire and men could retire at 65. But as you all know, they've upped that limit that we can't retire until we're in our 65th, 66th year, unless we can afford to. But so many people are looking forward to retiring. But what does retiring mean? What does it mean? Now, I have no intention of what I class becoming part of the carpet slipper brigade. But you ask them, what do they do with their life? And it's, oh well, it's the same boring stuff over and over again. Thank goodness for the weekend. I can't wait until the next holiday. And I can't wait until I can retire, so I can sit and do nothing. Is that really how you want to live your life? Sitting and doing nothing? To me, that would be totally boring. But they're not enjoying life. I certainly wouldn't enjoy life just sitting doing nothing. But I'm enjoying what I'm doing, and motivating and helping people achieve the success that they want from their life. Life is short. Life is very short. You may not think it when you're a youngster. I can remember time being slow as a youngster. You know, it seemed to be years until my next birthday. My God, it isn't now. It seems like a day till my next birthday. It seems like a day till Christmas, but when we were children, Christmas never seemed to come, did it? But as we get older, time goes quicker. So what do you really want from your life? What do you want to do? Because you've only got one chance. Go and do what you would like to do. Achieve the success. Get what you want and go and get what you deserve. If you want to discuss this in more depth, please do contact me. I'm here to help you to get to where you want to get with your life. I'm here to support you, to help you achieve your success. Okay, catch up with you on the next video. Bye.